Hello friends and followers. Well, I'm still working on the national company HRO 500 receiver, and I've replaced the switch here, defective band switch, with a new ceramic one in the radio. So this part has been accomplished. I was able to make an electrical equivalent with a ceramic band switch to match this one by grinding out this area here and joining the two half moons on the center rotating conductor. So that's done. So of concern now is how to get this back part working. So this switch has two sides, and this is for the HF oscillator, by the way, the first switch you went into from the front of the radio to the back. So this switch is the backside switch, and it is problematic for me. Looks like electrically it's simply on position or band 1. We'll ground out the HF oscillator on band 1, and on the rest of the bands, 2, 3, 4, 5, it looks like it's concerned with grounding these coils. So coils, LC circuits that are not being used, it wants to ground them. And so I made a little truth table here, whereas in band 1 it'll ground these LC circuits, or these coils, as you can see. Band 2, it'll ground those. Band 3, band 4, and band 5. Band 5, they're all open. So I'm not sure if this is even necessary. I know that this was done back in the day as a precaution for coils oscillating and transmitters and all that. They would simply ground all the coils that weren't being used, sections like in a final or something like that. But probably makes sense. So then I need to make this switch happen electrically with something which I can buy off the shelf or off of eBay. So I bought this switch, and I was going to get a grinder and hack it up and make it work, but I have to look at it for a bit and figure out how to make it match this truth table, if I even can, or buy one that will match that truth table that I can hack up with a grinder and some solder. So that's what I'm up to, but I might be getting closer now to getting this radio replicated and working. So yep, got to build this. This is in. I suppose I could wire in these coils which are just dangling and see if they work. So I know I have this coil working for band number 4. This and this are disconnected. I guess I could just jam these onto these pins here on the front part of the switch and see if it goes without doing all this grounding. That would be a hack, but maybe it would just work. All right, that's where I stand. I got to figure this out and make sure it would work electrically, or buy some more of these and hack them up, make them work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.